Digital Services Law and its negative implications. Let's talk about this one. Number one is the increase when it comes to the use of essential tools and services. So this time, there will be more cost with the spaces, platforms, cloud, and different digital tools that freelancers are using. So there will be more when it comes to paying subscription platforms and other types of essential tools and services for freelancers. Number two is the struggle to be even more competitive. When the platforms are actually charging more, there is going to be more competitiveness that clients might be looking for really quality virtual assistants because they're paying more, or will go to competitions that are not Filipinos. Maybe they would go to English speakers or other nations such as India, Pakistan, and other freelancers because they might not be taxed there. So there is going to be a struggle, an added struggle for a lot of freelancers to be even more competitive. Of course, you have to be giving more value. You have to really look for other types of maybe local platforms so you're not getting all of these added taxes. So it's going to be a struggle even more to be competitive and to keep clients in order for you to be sustained in this freelancing industry. And number three is that being in that state where you are being affected by the tax without really benefiting from it. A big portion is probably just going to government projects. 5% is going to the wrong, for me, the wrong creatives, going to filmmakers, a lot of others in the older traditional creatives, but nothing really mentioned in the digital economy. No improvement when it comes to internet speed or making it more affordable, no laws and policies that will actually protect virtual assistants and those in the freelancing industry from a lot of other issues when it comes to being hired by international clients, different setup when it comes to work that will actually benefit the whole gig industry. So those are some of the negative implications. There might be more. Let's go ahead and talk about it.